Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home to this quiet and secure neighborhood located in the much sought after 24 hours gated community of Stonebrook Manor, conveniently located within a short distance of the Falmouth Town Centre. This newly built, beautifully designed home is an unfurnished bungalow with three spacious bedrooms, three modern bathrooms, high vaulted ceiling, an open concept living and dining and kitchen, veranda, enclosed laundry area, designated parking, and is fully grilled. Shared amenities include a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, and jogging trail. This property is located 30 minutes from the Sangster International Airport. The community is 10 minutes from schools, hospital, beaches, and shopping malls. It is ideal for professionals or small families. Call today for viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 1,250 or Jamaican $196,800. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.